Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. If you're planning a birthday party or just want to spice up your baking presentation, you've clicked the right video. Today, we're diving into what's been dubbed the best cupcake wrappers for birthdays that you absolutely need for your next celebration. Let's find out what makes these wrappers a must-have in your baking arsenal. These cupcake wrappers come in a variety of designs and colors, perfect for any theme or occasion. Whether it's for a child's birthday party or an adult's elegant gathering, there's something here that fits every style. But it's not just about looks. Let's talk about quality and functionality. First off, these wrappers are made from a sturdy, grease-proof paper. This means they don't just hold up well under the inevitable heat and moisture of baking, but they also maintain their vivid colors and don't get soggy easily. Now, that's a big plus when you want your cupcakes to look great for hours during a party. Putting them on is a breeze. You simply wrap them around your cupcakes after they've cooled down and secure them with the tab insert. They fit snugly around standard-sized cupcakes, making them look instantly more festive and professional. Imagine these at your next event. We have themes ranging from vibrant balloons and confetti for kids to more subdued and elegant designs for adult soirees. The versatility doesn't end there. These wrappers are not just for birthdays. Use them for baby showers, wedding receptions, or any festive occasion where cupcakes are on the menu. And for those who are eco-conscious, you'll be pleased to know that these cupcake wrappers are eco-friendly. They are made from biodegradable materials, which means they won't just look good, they're also kind to our planet. Look at this side by side. The difference is clear, isn't it? Cupcakes without wrappers look plain and ordinary, but once dressed in these chic wrappers, they're transformed into delightful party treats. Now, while these cupcake wrappers are decorative, remember they aren't meant for baking. You'll want to bake your cupcakes in regular liners and then dress them up with these wrappers once they're cool. It's an extra step, yes, but look at the result. So, if you want to add that extra flair to your parties and make your cupcakes stand out, these are the wrappers you need. Check the link in the description below to grab these for your next big event. And why not share your own cupcake designs with us on social media? We would love to see how you use these fantastic cupcake wrappers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Happy baking, and see you next time.